media. Yes, man.
What's poppin', everybody? Kevin Too Crazy here. First thing, vlog channel live. Link in the description. Check out some of the vlogs. 3 vlogs up already. Now for the video. You know weed smokers, I know weed smokers. And we all know they have certain traits. The example, them always can't find them lighter. Like, how you smoke weed and can't find a lighter? You have the sleepers. Them don't need NyQuil nor Dayquil. Them just need one draw. And them knockout.
Brother, take a draw for this. Why you take a draw for this, no?
Yeah, you have the paranoid weed smokers. What?
Pussy, come. Here, what?
No, tell me. Me know you not that.
Come here, pussy. Come for me, no? Come for me. We're dating. Don't come through it.
You have the one that are always hungry.
You know what's hungry? Come on. I'm not hungry. I'm not eating a bad man, but I'm hungry. I'm free. Dad, you know say you have to wash your skin before you eat in my youth. Jesus.
You have the gigglers. Everything them find funny.
Yeah, why you laugh so far? No, nothing. Look.
You have the ones that get super philosophical.
Dad, why them call it a orange even when it's still green?
That's the end of the video. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and also subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Remember the vlog channel. Link in the description. Check it out. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Girl, you tryna fuck. Girl, you tryna fuck. Cause I'm tryna bust a nut. Girl, you tryna fuck. Girl, you tryna fuck. You got a big old butt. Girl, you tryna fuck. 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 I don't know if you a bitch or you a slut.